Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change themes in draw.io. So basically, as you can see right now, I have white theme. It is themed because my Windows is now set on white. And to change that to, let's say, dark color, what I will need to do is go right here to extras, then click on theme, and right here you'll see the automatic, classic, simple, minimal, sketch, or atlas. So if you select the classic, what you'll see, it is the basic and doesn't change anything. What you'll need to do is go to appearance and change right here to dark, let's say, and you'll get a dark theme. And if you want, let's say, to change to white, what you'll need to do is basically go again right here to extras, appearance, and light. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.